guys, we've got a question here on question number 6. It says calculate the ground distance from Trick Beacon 189 on the map here to Trick Beacon 190. Now I'm not going to do this specific exercise with you, then I'm going to give you guys the answer and I'm going to make it too easy for you. So what I will do is I will do another calculation, and I've actually drawn it here on the map. Guys, also please be careful when you're working with textbooks. Make sure that you're using an eraser and also a pencil. Guys, textbooks are expensive. Please handle them with care. Please don't use pen. It's just not on. Okay, so what we do, we need to measure between spot height 1766 to spot height 170. Right, so what we'll do is we'll use our rulers. Please guys, whenever you're using a ruler, please make sure that the ruler's lines, millimeters, are clearly indicated and it's not worn off. If it's worn off, you're going to struggle with this exercise. Now I've got the light of the camera here. I'm just going to turn it off. You guys can still see the picture. Right, so there's no glare. So what we do, we go and place a ruler exactly on the spot height and we take it to the other spot height. So we're on spot height 1766 and we're basically starting with 0 and we're measuring all the way up until spot height 1610. When we do this, we need to make sure that we're reading very accurately. There we can see it's just going over 8. It's 8,1 centimeter. So what we're going to do in here, we're going to take our piece of paper and we're going to write. Okay guys, so we've taken the measurement. It's 8,1 centimeters. Please make sure that you do indicate the unit. If you don't have the unit, no mark. All right. So if I just say calculate it, or the question just states calculate the ground distance on a topographical map. Remember, topographical maps got a scale of 1 to 50,000. What does that mean? Every 1 centimeter on the map that you measure equals to 0.5 kilometers or 500 meters. All right, so our second step is, and you guys can do for this question number 6, you can work it out for both kilometers and meters. So what do? We times this by 0.5 for kilometers, or we times it by 500 to get the answer in meters. All right, you guys technically don't need a calculator, but let's go to the calculator. So if we say 1.8 times by 0.5, the answer would be 4,05 kilometers. Very important, guys, to make sure that you indicate, like I said, the unit, you indicate what you multiplying it by, and very important that you indicate that you've got the unit behind. No unit, no mark, guys. All right, please make sure that when you do these calculations for the distances on a topographical map or orthophoto, make sure that you are well prepared, you've got the necessary tools. All right, for meters, it will be, of course, 4,050 meters. And that's it. As easy and straightforward